Yes, note down the problem. From the following balance sheets of a company, from the following balance sheets of a company, prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. You can fold the page. Liabilities 2019, 2020. Assets 2019, 2020. Liabilities 2019, 2020, and the same assets 2019, 2020. On liability side, share capital, share capital 30,000, 38,000. Debentures 40,000, 42,000. Creditors, creditors 18,000, 18,000, 20,000. Profit and loss account, profit and loss account 3,000, 7,000. 3,000, 7,000. Next on asset side, plant, plant 55,000, 53,000. Plant 55,000, 53,000. Debtors, debtors 10,000, 8,000. 10,000, 8,000. Stock, stock 12,000, 20,000. 12,000, 20,000. Cash, cash 4,000, 12,000. 4,000, 12,000. Next, prepaid expenses, prepaid expenses 10,000, 14,000. 10,000, 14,000. Total balance sheet 91,000 for first year. 91,000 first year. Second year 1 lakh 7,000. 1 lakh 7,000 second year. 91,000, 1 lakh 7,000. There is no additional information. సో ఈ విధంగా ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తాడు. సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఫండ్స్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్కి ఇస్తాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ విచ్ క్వశ్చన్ హీ హాస్ either funds flow statement or cash flow statement. There is no difference between these two problems, but you must observe the question what he asked for. Prepare fund flow statement or cash flow statement. Okay, so in this problem he asked to prepare cash flow statement. So yesterday we learned about preparation of cash flow statement. To prepare cash flow statement, there may be two statements. They are number one cash from operations, number two cash flow statement. So in the same manner, now we are going to prepare two statements in one statement. Cash from operations to cash flow statement. Both will appear in single statement. Okay. So first of all, you can note to cash from operations information. After that, cash flow statement information. In this manner, you can prepare the cash flow statement. Okay. So you can take Punit Rasko heading cash flow statement. రాసుకోనా తప్ప అట్లా రాసుకో క్యాష్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్ particulars inner column amount, particulars inner column amount, particulars inner column amount. First of all, regarding cash from operations, we are going to take any one of the four items, that is net profit bar net loss, or closing balance of profit loss account, or closing balance of reserve fund, or closing balance of retained earnings. So here there is no net profit. You can take a profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account you can take. So first of all, difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account in brackets 7,000 minus 3,000, 7,000 minus 3,000, outer column 4,000, outer column 4,000. First of all, you can take like this. So difference in profit loss account, that is the net profit for the year. That is 7,000 minus 4,000, 3,000, that is equal to 4,000. You can give an outer column. After that, you can take 4 headings, 6 headings, plus non-operating items, plus non-operating items. Underline చేసుకొని you can give 4 or 5, 4 or 5 lines. Next, minus non-operating items, minus non-operating items. You can give 2 3 columns space. Next, plus increase in CL and decrease in CA, plus increase in CL and decrease in CA. That means increase in current liabilities, decrease in current assets. Under that, you can give 2 or 3 lines. Next heading, minus, minus increase in current assets, decrease in current liabilities, increase in current assets minus decrease in current liabilities. Underline that. Then here also you can give 2 or more line space. Next, plus cash inflows, plus cash inflows. Underline that. Next, you can give 4 or 5 lines, and minus cash inflows, and minus cash inflows. This is the procedure to prepare the cash flow statement. First of all, you can take difference in profit loss account. Next headings I am going to read, plus non-operating items. Next, minus non-operating items, plus increase in current liability or decrease in current assets. Next, increase in current assets, decrease in current liability. Next, cash inflows. Next, cash outflows. In this manner, you can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 headings. Every heading you can give 4 or 5 lines. Every heading you can give for 4 or 5 lines. Now you can go to the problem. So in the problem, first of all, you can observe share capital 30,000, 38,000 is there. That means the company issued the shares. Difference of 8,000, that is cash inflow. So in the fifth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column, cash inflows. Under that you can write issue of shares. Issue of shares, inner column 8,000. Issue of shares, inner column 8,000. Next, debentures, same 40,000, 42,000. So there is an increase of 2,000. That means we issue the debentures. In the same column, you can write issue of debentures 2,000. Issue of debentures 2,000. Issue of debentures 2,000. Next, creditors 18,000, 20,000 is there. Creditors increases. Creditors increases means we can take third heading. Increase in creditors. Increase in creditors. Increase in creditors 2,000. Next, pronoun also taken. Next, come to asset side. 55,000, 53,000 plant is there. That means there is a 2,000 decrease is there. That means that can be treated as depreciation. So, plus first item, plus non-operating items under that. Depreciation on plant. Depreciation on plant. Depreciation of plant 2,000 inner column. Depreciation of plant 2,000 in the column. Next, debtors 10,000, 8,000. 2,000 decrease is there. In third column, decrease in debtors. Decrease in debtors. Decrease in debtors 2,000. Next, stock 12,000, 20,000. There is increase of 8,000. So we can take fourth heading. Increase in stock. Increase in stock. Inner column. All these comes under inner column. Increase in stock 8,000. Increase in stock 8,000. Next, cash it will not appear. Prepaid expenses 4,000 increase is there. So that will also fourth column. Increase in prepaid expenses. increase in prepaid expenses 4,000. Increase in prepaid expenses 4,000. Okay, there is no additional information. So first of all, non-operating items only depreciation 2,000 is there. So you can give a line under that. That will be shown on outer side 2,000. So in the above 4,000 is there. 4,000 plus 2,000, you can add 6,000. That is the 6,000. Next, second heading, there is no non-operating items dash. Then you can total. You can take the total, same total 6,000. Next, third column 2,000, 2,000, 4,000. You can take 4,000 outer column. 4,000 outer column. That is also add 6,000 plus 4,000, 10,000. 10,000. Next, minus 8,000, 4,000. Outer column 12,000. Can give bracket 12,000. That means 2,000 minus is higher. So then you can give 2,000 in brackets. 2,000 అని బ్రాకెట్లో వేయండి. బ్రాకెట్లో వేసినామంటే మైనస్ అని అర్థం. సో 2,000 మైనస్లో ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ 8,000, 2,000, 10,000 సెకండ్కి అవుటర్ కాలం 10,000 ప్లస్. సో పైన మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయకుండా లెస్ చేసుకోవాలి. 10లో 2 పోతే ఎంత? 10కి 8,000. 8,000. Next, cash outflows. There is no cash outflows. You can give dash. Then you can take total of 8,000 rupees. Total of 8,000 rupees. Next, opening cash balance. Opening cash balance 4,000. Opening cash balance 4,000. Then you can total 12,000. That 12,000 must be equal to the closing cash balance in the problem. So there is a closing balance of 12,000 is there. Okay, that is correct. Therefore, you can give heading for that closing balance of cash. For that 12,000 closing balance of cash. In this manner, you can prepare the cash flow statement. So first of all, you can observe that question belongs to funds flow statement or cash flow statement, because question is same for both the statements, but question only change. So you can observe the question that question belongs to funds flow statement or cash flow statement. Okay, so cash flow statements, is there any workings? There is no additional information, no working. Okay, then you can directly go to cash flow statement. In this cash flow statement, you can take three columns, particulars to inner column amount. First of all, you can take difference in profit and loss account in outer column. Then you can take six headings. They are, first one, non-operating plus non-operating items. You can give 5 or 6 column space. Next, heading minus non-operating items. For this, you can give 2, 3 item space. Next, again plus decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Decrease in current assets and increase in current liability. Next heading, opposite for that, minus increase in current assets, decrease in current liabilities. Next, cash inflows. Next, cash outflows. In this manner, you can take 6 columns. To prepare cash flow statement, you can give 6 columns. Then you will get the cash flow statement. Then you will get the cash flow statement. In this manner, you can prepare the cash flow statement. Okay, you can understand the problem. Next, second one. Second problem. From the following, comparative balance sheet of Susila Limited. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Again, fold the page. Liability issue. 2019-2020. Same on asset side. Assets 2019-2020. 2019, 2020. Next, liability side. Equity share capital. Equity share capital 7 lakhs, 7 lakh 40,000. 7 lakhs, 7 lakh 40,000. రాసుకో పునీత్, పెన్ను పట్టుకో, రాసుకుంటావు. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ 7 lakhs, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ 7 lakh 40. నెక్స్ట్ 10% debentures. 10% debentures. This is the rate of interest. This will not affect in when preparing cash flow statement. 10% debentures 1,20,000, 60,000. 1,20,000, 60,000. Next, creditors. Creditors 1,03,600, 103, 1,03,600, 1,18,400, 118,400. Next, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account 1,04,000. First year 1,04,000. Second year 1,05,600. 105,600. Next, asset side. Cash 90,000, 90, 78,000. Next, debtors 1,42,000, 1,69,000. 1,42,000, 1,69,000. Stock 4,92,000, 4,27,000. 4,27,000 stock. Land 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Land 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Next, goodwill 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Next, 50,000. 1 lakh. Next, 50,000. Total balance sheet for first year 10 lakhs 24,000. Same second year also 10 lakhs 24,000. First year, second year, same amount. 10 lakhs 24, 10 lakhs 24. Both sides. 10 lakhs 24,000, 10 lakhs 24,000 for both sides. There is no additional information. There is no additional information. So from the given balance sheets, you can prepare the cash flow statement. You can prepare the cash flow statement. Okay. So take down the answer. Take down the answer. Cash flow statement. Main heading, cash flow statement. 3 columns. Particulars, inner column, amount. Particulars, inner column, amount. Look at 10. Lengthy lines. Particulars, inner column, amount. So here profit and loss account is there. That one you will take. Difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account in brackets 1,05,600. 1,05,600 minus 1,04,000. Minus 1,04,000. Outer column 5,200. Outer column 5,200. 5,200. Yes, you can give plus non-operating items. Plus non-operating items. Non-operating items. Under that, here goodwill is there on asset side, 1,50,000. That means written off goodwill. So you can write goodwill written off, inner column 50,000. Goodwill written off inner column 50,000. Only one item. You can give outer column also 50,000. 50,000. Totally 55,200. Total 55,200. Then minus non-operating items. Minus non-operating items. Minus non-operating items. There is no non-operating items. You can give dash. Then you can take the same total, 55,200. 55,200. Next, plus decrease in CA and increase in CL. Plus decrease in CA. CA means current assets. Decrease in CA and increase in current liabilities, CL. Under that, decrease in stock. Decrease in stock. Inner column 65,000. 65,000. In the same manner, increase in creditors. Sorry. Decrease in stock. Next, increase in creditors. Increase in creditors. That is 14,800. 14,800. That will be added out of column. 1,35,000. 1,35,000. So totals comes under 55,200 is there. 1,35,000 total. 1,90,200 total. Next, minus increase in current assets. Increase in current assets and a decrease in current liabilities. And a decrease in current liabilities. Under that, increase in debtors. Increase in debtors 27,000. 27,000. So we did not take cash here. And then there is no another items. So you can take 27,000 outer column. So totally 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Next, plus cash inflows. Plus cash inflows. You can give 2-3 lines and minus cash outflows. Minus cash outflows. Cash outflows. Under that, so here share capital 7 lakh 7,40,000 is there. That means the firm issued the shares. So that means we received the cash. So cash inflows flow. Issue of shares. Issue of shares 40,000. Issue of shares 40,000. Next, cash outflows flow. Redemption of debentures. Redemption of debentures 60,000. Redemption of debentures 60,000. Next on assets, next cash outflows lone purchase of land 1 lakh. Purchase of land 1 lakh. We can give outer column 40,000 యాడ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ 1,60,000 లెస్ చేస్తే there is a 12,000 minus in brackets లో you can put 12,000 rupees. In brackets you can put 12,000 rupees. From that, minus opening cash balance 90,000, minus opening balance 90,000. So minus 12,000 is there, plus 90,000 is there. That means 90,000 minus 12,000, 78,000. 78,000. That is equivalent to closing cash. Therefore, closing cash balance, closing cash balance 78,000 అట్లా closing cash balance కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. So in this manner you can prepare the cash flow statement. We have solved two problems regarding cash flow statement. Okay, so there is no adjustments. Without adjustments you can solve the two problems, right? Two problems మనము సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. పర్టికులర్స్ ఇన్ రకాల ప్రకారం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ రికండెక్ట్ నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్ and next 6 items plus non-operating items minus non-operating items plus decrease in current assets, increase in current liabilities. In the same manner, minus increase in current assets, decrease in current liabilities. Next, cash inflows, cash outflows. You can take 6 headings like this and input to the items whichever it will appear. Next, you will get the closing cash balance of the firm. Then this is the problem. Okay.